Yo, so my sister just bought this 2001 Ford Ranger XLT, and it needs something fixed. I told her I'd take care of it, that's why it's over here, but $700. Not a bad deal for this little pickup. 4-wheel drive, step side, got custom stickerage going on, mud flaps. It needs a tailgate handle, so I told her I'd get that taken care of for her. I couldn't figure out how to drop the tailgate without there being a handle. I thought maybe I could just get in there and pinch it together, but that didn't work. So there are some Torx screws here, Torx bolts, screws, whatever you want to call them. We're gonna take those out and then see if we can replace the tailgate handle from in there. Okay, so grab just a set of Torx and a 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/2 inch ratchet, screwdriver, just to open the box actually. Oh whoa, did we get double magnets? They're the same one, but we got two. Hell yeah. Okay, what size? Is it 30? Yep. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. If you have like a drill or an impact, this would be a lot faster, but we'll be playing down with this hand tool. Sit down. Let's take a look. Looks like 2 10mm maybe? Yeah. Should be pretty easy. Let me go grab that. Yep, 10mm. They're on there quite a bit tighter than the Torx key. Quite a bit tighter than the Torx bolts. Let's see if we can get this out without dropping it. Okay, both of those, they should just pop out, I would think. Maybe not. Where's that screwdriver? There it goes. Okay. That's the old broken one. I had to bend it up quite a bit to get it out of there, but it's out. See if this one will fit in there. Should. Oh yeah, it looks perfect. Makes the rest of the truck look awful. Brand new handle. That's alright. It'll get dirty soon enough. It'll match the rest of the truck. Please don't drop this. That would suck. So I do not have a magnet or anything to go fishing for it. On that side. And before we go putting this back on, let's see if it works. Oh, there it is. That side's kind of stuck. And who knows when the last time it was opened was. There we go. Works just as it should. Cool. Okay, go ahead and put that panel back on. Bug crawling on me. Get out of here, bug. Afraid I wasn't gonna have enough daylight left to do this. It's already like probably like 8:30 now. Nah, we managed. Doesn't really take that much to do this. 10 bolts in total. And I mean, we had to fight to get the old one out, but whatever. I broke the plastic off of it, but it didn't matter because it was broken anyway, so. Alright, that's about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.